unboxing video. And I already got the Simplex True Alert, but guess what? We have another something in the box. Open. Yep, we got another Simplex True Alert. Right here. And it's a hard box. Oh, here it is. I got it. And it's freezing on that as well. Here it is. Here's the Simplex True Alert I got. So I got now 2 Simplex True Alerts. This is the one I got, and this is I got today. So, yep. I'm really happy I got this one. But now, let's get this open. Okay. I finally took the screws off of that, but I still have the Condoa selector in it. So now I'm going to put this back on, just for safety reasons. And 3, 2, 1. And there we go. Now it's back on. So yep. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Until then, bye.
Did they accidentally send too?
No, I actually got another horn strobe.
Oh no. How did you get that? A second one?
On eBay. Yes, I'm on the phone with James2Big439. I actually did an unboxing video, actually.
Who are you on with, then?
Huh?
Who are you on with?
James2Big439.
Oh, you probably your parents?
No. I was at a mailbox today, and unexpectedly, there was another Simplex True Alert. They gave it to me.
Oh, you're filming right now?
Yep.
Oh, you didn't tell me that.
Mm-hmm.
Can you send the video over?
Okay. Okay, here we go. Hey guys, it's my Chicago Team Productions here. I'm also on the phone with... Hangouts with, oh sorry.
Guess who? Can you guys guess who it is? I mean, am I the only one that Ben's on the phone with? I mean, it seems like it, but yeah, it's me, guys.
Yep. So I got another Simplex True Alert, which is this one, and this is one I got on Thursday. Which is unexpected.
Hey, can you angle your computer so I can see you more? It's kind of foggy.
Hold on.
You have a very bad camera on your thing. Yep, the quality is so bad.
There we go. Yeah, and then the reason we have to lick it, it's because of that. So here it is. The Simplex True Alerts.
Those are really cool.
Mm-hmm.
I can tell one's brighter than the other, right?
Yeah. So I'm going to get the other one open up. Remember, just take it in there with a screwdriver. There we go. And it snapped right back in. No, I'm not letting that.
Those are nice firearms, then.
Yep, the Simplex. Oh my God, why? Why just keep?
I use Simplex 4100U.
4100U. Control panel? No, I didn't have it yet.
They look like it because I just got a video on when I went on to YouTube just now, and I see a firearm on there called Simplex 4100U test. Unless that maybe be the fire panel.
Yes, 4100U panel.
Okay, well I see a firearm that's similar to yours.
Mm-hmm. I'm trying to get this dang thing to open. There we go. So here's the inside of another Simplex True Alert.
And as I joked around before, Ben broke it.
No, I didn't.
I know, I'm joking. Remember when I did that in the other video?
Mm-hmm.
I was like, "But good job, Ben, you broke it."
No. You can, I don't know if you can see it, but I covered this True Alert with a tape because it's so loud and it actually scared my parents actually. There's a little
Jonah.
yes. And there's some little paint on this True Alert,
Yeah, I see that.
which it says do not paint, actually. Which they made a big.
When they made it, I put a line on it. Oh no.
Oh well. Snap it right back in, like this. And you just heard that snapped. Right back in. And there you go. So they're both similar to this. Well, except for the two Simplex True Alerts I have, they're both dressables. You know that, James Tube. James.
Yeah, what?
You remember these two Simplex True Alerts are both addressable, actually. I mean, literally, they're both...
Oh, yeah. So you need to get a Simplex,
T-Bar pull station, yes.
Probably, yeah. Simplex T-Bar. Probably the best idea.
Yeah, and this one is not on Smart Sync. Both of them are not, actually. Don't worry, I'll try to get a Smart Sync eventually. I don't know when. But we will see what happens. So yep. So I'm gonna end this here. So thanks for watching. As like, comment, subscribe, and my friend says, don't do that.
Don't do what?
Oh, don't worry about it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and all. As my friend says,
CLS. That means comment, like, and subscribe. And I felt like talking like a robot.
Alright,
Thank you guys for watching, and what a surprise that Ben ended up getting a second fire alarm, which, I mean, that's great. I mean, as you guys know, I got my BG12L.
Yep.
I mean, that's really not.
And as for a bonus, we will pull the BG12L.
Alright, here we go. 3,
2, 1.
Pulse station has memory set.
And that will be it.